Chap beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today I have received a question from lovely Lillian. I'll put a message here on the screen. We made these lovely embellishments, and Leah's asked some ideas on how to use them into like tags. So I thought, let me investigate and do a tutorial. Those tags are layered tags, so there's quite a few layers, and then I'll just give you some ideas on how to use them on top, on the sides, or attach them to the actual tag. Before I show you how to make those, let me showcase the paper that I have used to make those tags, which are my VIP Lounge membership papers. If you are new to me, the VIP Lounge is simply a monthly membership where every month, from starting price of £2, yes, £2, you don't even get a coffee in the UK for £2, you get your hands on lots of digital papers that you can download and print and create everything that you want, and every month the papers are different. Okay, so let me showcase the papers and then keep watching to see how to make those tags. The main collection is called Under the Sea. So this collection here is inspired by the nautical world of sea. There's a lot like creatures and vessels, etc. So just going to show you page by page. This one has got 2 pages here. This is one of my favorite. It reminds me of like Atlantis, like underwater sea world full of like flowers, etc. Another page here. This you can use it as a whole page with like maps and vessels. I love that with the light, with the lighthouse here and the water. It's all blend. It's all designed to be mixed and matched. Love that. There's like a jeweled creature. So you've got the shell here and the jellyfish. Another one here with the turtle and little seal. Another one with the vessels. So again, as you can see, there's a lot like brown and blues color palette. Again, another 2 sections that you can use as a one piece, or if you make a journal, it could be like a cover, so front and back. Another one here with the fish and the seahorse. That's it. So that's the main collection. You also get 1 page of bookmarks. So these are bookmarks, but also been designed to be a tags. Again, it's all mix and match, so it's 4 sections that you can cut off together. Also, all my VIP members get a letter gift box. So this month is the last letter, which is letter Z, and we have completed the entire alphabet. So you get a page with the instruction. This is very, very easy to pull together. So you've got the main letter, which is the Z, and then you've got the 2 tabs on the side and the 2 tabs to go on the front, on the top here. And then of course you get the Z, which is the backwards. And because I had this free page here, I thought, am I going to give you an extra an extra gift, which is a pillow box, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together. That's it. It's quite big, and then of course it stands on its own. All my 3D letters stand on their own. It's fantastic. I really like it. And this is the pillow box, so it opens like that. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we have done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S. Lovely, like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, and last, letter Z. All the alphabet is now available on my website if you want to purchase the entire letter. So from letter A to letter Z, of course, my VIP members have got them for free. Every month, you also get a digital magazine. And every month it changes. Like this month, the theme is food. So the magazine that you get is the Good Food magazine from the BBC, and you got 73 recipes. So as you can see, I'm just gonna give you a quick flip through. So you get loads and lots of inspiration, but also you can print these papers and use in your journal for mixed medias. And of course, you can also follow the recipes if you, like myself, you like to cook and you like good food. Last but not least, this month, every month you get a little gift from me. And this month, the gift is an additional pack, which is called Under the Sea Ephemera pack. So there's 4 pages that have been designed to go with the main pack. And I got an idea what to do with this. So this is a section of 4, as you can see, 8 different backgrounds. I got an idea how to use them, and you're going to love it. Section of tags to go with it. Also 2 scallop envelopes. So if you can cut them, that's the side tab, that's the top, and then you fold them, becomes envelopes. And then on here you got a large secretarial pocket. So what you do, you cut this. You can put it together by folding on the tabs, front and side, or you can cut it and put this on your page of your journal, and then you've got 4 slots. Okay, so again, it's been designed to be used together like that, so you get 4 slots on the front and 4 slots on the back, or as I said, you can cut it and glue it on your journal. Okay guys, so for the base of the tag is a little tip that I'm going to give you today. I love to make some tags template. So what you literally do is create a tag using a cardstock, because when you do that, this is your template, and that gives you, because in my head I want to be quite specific on what my tags will look like. So instead of like randomly cut strips, I want like, for example, if I want this image, I know that if I do that, that will stay exactly in the middle. Okay, so I know exactly where I cut and what I'm getting if I cut the template. So I want to use some of that. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw my 3 tags. Then I'm just going to cut them all. Okay, so I've got here some book pages. Okay, and these are Vintage Dreams from the Works. I had these for absolutely years and years. Are they, is that 6x6? I want to say so. Yeah, I think it's 6x6. Yeah, 5 3/4. So what I do, I'm gonna get my, if I can reach it, sorry guys, my blue ink. Okay, so I'm going to layer the tag with the book page first. I'm gonna do something like, gonna chop this in half, and then I'm just going to ink the book page with the blue. It's like a glittery blue, but you can't really tell that it's glitter. And also I'm going to distress the edge of the tag with some blue ink. And a little tip to make this look even more vintage, so fold the corner like that, ink it, and open it back up, and it looks like the paper was stuck somewhere. Okay, just to give a fake or for vintage. ripped of the paper. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna chop the rest. Again, I use double-sided tape. Oh no! Oh yeah. For speedness. Perfect. Just enough to see. I'm just gonna trim that off. Okay, and then I do the same on the other side. I do one tag video and I do the other two off camera, because otherwise we'll be here for quite a while. No, I don't want my videos to be too long, because I'm conscious that you guys got lots of videos to watch. So I might trim actually this one as well. Okay, and then here I've got, in fact I might just put some brown there as well. Okay, and then on here I've got some of this cardstock. Yeah, I think, yeah, let's do like that. And I'm just gonna attach the tag. And then with the ruler, I'm gonna chop. I might leave that actually. And I'll do this corner there as well. And then with the ink, once the tag is done, then I'll create a little hole on here with my crocodile, put an eyelet. Where did I put them? There. I think I'm gonna go for the same. No, not gold. I want like copper. That's it. That's the one I was after. And then now it's gone on the floor. Okay, let's pick another one. And then we get that one there, and then you're going to put it together. Now I will suggest use some trimming. I'm going to use this one there. Why you don't work? Every time I film something, there's always some problems, and then off camera everything goes well. Typical, but never mind. Okay, it's going through, and then hope for the best. Yeah, it's going through there as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna tie a knot. Okay, and that is the first layered tag. And then of course you can write in there, you can either stamp things in there, you can do what you want. Super cute. Let me do the other two and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the one we've done together. Okay, with the double layering in there. This is what I've done off camera, and on here I simply use the tag, the book pages on the back, and then on top of the tag I have used the that printed flowers cardstock, and that could actually work as a little pockets as well if you wish. And then just put this embellishment on the top with some green ripple and trimmings. And then last I have done the tag, and the embellishment I actually put on the side instead of put it together in there, because I wanted the lighthouse to be quite predominant, and I have used the blue flower cardstock as a layer with a book page. I actually leave the book page at the end, and I think it works really well. Guys, this is some ideas of what to do with the little embellishment we make last week. These tags, you can layer it further, you can add another dimension, you can add labels, you can add numbers, you can do anything that you want. I just hope I'll give you some ideas. Guys, if you want to join my VIP lounge membership and get your hands on these wonderful papers, let me showcase where to find it on my website. This is my website, antoniomakes.com. Of course, it's June, so throughout the month of June we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books at half price, every single one of them, from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection, so every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags, again they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template, we do in alphabet, and then soon we're gonna move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with a £2 a month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Lee for the questions. I hope, Lee, I gave you some ideas on what to do with the embellishment. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Every interaction that you guys have with me really works with my journey here on YouTube, because every time you say that, YouTube get a little notification. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.